Imagine waking up and instead of immediately reaching for your phone to scroll through endless notifications, you start your day feeling calm and focused. No urgent emails or social media feeds pulling you in, just a clear mind and a sense of balance. In a world where we're constantly connected, this might seem impossible, but it's becoming increasingly necessary. Enter the Digital Detox Consultant, a new profession dedicated to helping individuals and organizations reduce their dependence on digital devices and social media for better mental health and productivity. But what exactly does a digital detox consultant do? And how are they helping people reclaim control over their digital lives? Stick around as we explore this fascinating role and why it might be the key to a more balanced, mindful future. In today's world, being constantly connected isn't just normal, it's expected. From the moment we wake up to when we go to sleep, we're bombarded with notifications, messages, and updates from our phones, computers, and social media platforms. This digital overload can increase anxiety, reduce focus, and negatively impact sleep. While technology has brought many convenience, it's also taken a toll on our mental health. This is where the Digital Detox Consultant steps in. A digital detox consultant specializes in helping people and organizations step back from their overwhelming digital lives to regain balance, mental clarity, and productivity. Their role goes beyond simply telling people to put their phones down. They offer personalized strategies and programs to help develop healthier, more sustainable digital habits. For individuals, the digital detox consultant starts by assessing the client's current digital usage. They examine how much time the person spends on their devices, which apps consume the most attention, and what triggers the constant need to check their phone. They also explore the emotional connection to devices. For instance, is the phone used as a way to cope with stress or boredom? Do clients feel anxious when they're away from it? Once the consultant understands the client's habits, they create a customized plan to help the individual disconnect. This might include setting boundaries for phone use, establishing tech-free zones at home, or designating specific times of day for checking emails and social media. The goal isn't to eliminate technology entirely, that's unrealistic in today's world, but to help people develop a healthier relationship with their devices. For example, one common strategy is a digital fast, where the individual disconnects from devices for set periods, such as during meals or before bed. Clients are encouraged to engage in alternative activities like reading, exercising, or spending time outdoors to replace their screen time with more fulfilling experiences. Mindfulness plays a crucial role in this process. Many people aren't even aware of how much time they spend on their devices or the impact it has on their mental health. A digital detox consultant often uses mindfulness techniques to help clients become more aware of their digital habits and make intentional decisions about when and how they use technology. The consultant's work isn't limited to individuals. They also help organizations that struggle with digital overload in the workplace. Many employees feel pressure to be available around the clock, which leads to burnout, decreased productivity, and poor work-life balance. By fostering healthier digital habits in the workplace, companies can improve their employees' well-being and boost productivity. Digital detox consultants help organizations develop policies that promote balance. For example, they might encourage companies to limit after-hours communication, create tech-free zones in the office, or set clear expectations around email response times. Another popular strategy is organizing digital detox days, where employees unplug from their devices and participate in team building or creative activities. These initiatives help foster a workplace culture that values mental health and mindful technology use. The challenge, of course, is getting people to stick to these changes. In a world where staying connected is so ingrained in our daily routines, cutting back on digital use can feel overwhelming. That's why digital detox consultants focus on long-term solutions. They don't just suggest quick fixes. They help individuals and organizations build lasting habits that support well-being and productivity. The key is balance, learning to use technology in a way that supports goals and enhances well-being without becoming a source of stress or distraction. Another essential part of the consultant's role is educating clients about the impact of their digital habits. Many people don't realize that their constant phone use contributes to anxiety or that late-night scrolling is disrupting their sleep. By raising awareness of these issues, digital detox consultants empower clients to make more informed choices about their technology use. As the demand for remote work grows and technology becomes even more integrated into our lives, the role of the digital detox consultant is only going to become more important. Balancing our use of technology with our mental health needs is becoming a central challenge of modern life. Consultants help navigate this challenge, giving individuals and organizations the tool they need to thrive in a digitally connected world. In the future, digital detox consultants will likely play a pivotal role in shaping how we engage with technology. Their work will be crucial in ensuring that our relationship with digital devices enhances rather than detracts from our well-being. As technology evolves, the need for guidance on managing digital overload will only increase, making this role an essential part of our future. In conclusion, the digital detox consultant is a critical bridge between the benefits of modern technology and the need for mental well-being. They help individuals regain control over their digital habits, reduce stress, and improve productivity. By fostering healthier digital environments in both personal and professional spaces, they are paving the way for a more balanced and mindful future. So, could a digital detox be something you or your organization needs? If you're interested in learning more about how to reduce digital overload and reconnect with what matters most, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on tech, wellness, and productivity. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.